Hello, and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Kate, and here at Sallie Tomato, we enjoy bringing you tutorials that educate, but also inspire. Today's project, we're going to be making the Merry Bright Card Caddy. This is a very easy to sew project, and it's a great accessory for your cell phone. Its low-profile design includes 2 card pockets, and it's easy to customize to reflect your personal style. Pockets can be used for ID cards, credit or debit cards, or business cards. For a thoughtful gift, tuck cash into the main pocket and a gift card into the front pocket. This pattern is ideal for small pieces of cork and faux leather fabrics. You can easily personalize the pockets, try adding embroidery, other surface embellishments, or even an applique monogram. Follow your pattern instructions to cut out the pattern pieces. You'll need 2 pieces A for your front and back, and then 1 piece B for the front pocket. Another option would be to use a cutting machine and the SVG files. You may find a Teflon foot will be helpful, or a zipper foot or a very narrow foot. I'm using a very narrow foot. Both of these feet, along with a zipper foot, will stitch very smoothly over the fabric layers. At the sewing machine, top stitch the top edges of the front and back pieces A and include the top curved corners of those 2 pieces. You'll also top stitch the shaped top edge of your pocket piece B. Then position the front and back pieces wrong sides together, aligning all the raw edges, and the top stitched edges should be matching. Hold the layers together with sewing clips. And then with the right sides up, add your pocket to the front, aligning the side and bottom edges. Again, hold all these layers in place, repositioning the sewing clips, or you might even try using sew-tight magnets for this step. Again, back at the sewing machine, we're going to simply top stitch the sides and bottom edges through all the layers, beginning and ending at the previous top stitching on the front, at the same time securing the pocket. To attach the card caddy, apply tape or permanent glue to the back of the card caddy and then position it on the back side of the phone case. Also keep in mind any charging ports or photo eyes that may be covered by the caddy. Be aware that the card caddy may adhere better to a low profile texture or smooth surface on the phone case. A rugged or high profile texture may reduce the surface area for adhering the card caddy in place. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create this useful card caddy. Be sure to let us know in the comments if you have any other questions or suggestions. Please share and show off your photos using the hashtag SallieTomato on social media. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. I hope you'll check out our website and our blog for other creative projects. Until our next video, have a great making day.